Oh, I'm sorry, did my teeth nick you again? Yeah, just a spot though, I'll be fine. I didn't say to stop though. What the hell? Me and Chica. We found them just outside. Their gun was down. Do you even realize who we are? Yes, I do. That's why I'm here. You're what? So we can kill you? Finish you off? Because you know we do that, right? To pretty much everyone. So why should we spare you? Because we have the same enemy. No shit, every single person out there is my enemy. Yeah, but this one, it's been one that you couldn't have killed. You've tried. How do you know that? And there's not many like that, so you better tell me who it is. It's Freddy. Freddy. Look, I've joined in many communities that he's taken down so many, and I don't want this to be the next. They already killed Twisted Freddy. How do you know this? And they didn't, a traitor did. Who was working with them. He's right though, how do you know all this? Because I watch around, or I pay people to watch around for me. I'm smart that I can also hack. And that's why I'm here. Because I learned that Golden Freddy, that's what he was. Learned? How would anyone have been watching and seen that? He means me, Wolf. What? I told him to keep an eye on some of the people. Ever since I arrived through that gate, I knew that I had to find someone. And he was perfect. I just told him to tell you that it was someone else because I didn't want you to be mad, but there should be no secrets between us, love. But remember how I said I was going to look around? Well, he can be helpful too. He can hack. He can. Just like Golden Freddy could. You know what? Just because my wife, or fiance, I guess, gives me her word, then I guess you can live. But you better have a good explanation for him, because I will still rip his throat out with my teeth. What can you do? Whoa, don't. I'm a doctor, okay? And I know you guys were working with Boris, because he told me. And, well, apparently he's dead. He is dead. My name is Minus, and I can help you guys with that. And think about it, Wolf. If we get Golden Freddy, which I know we will, we're gonna need some kind of drugs to keep him alive after we're torturing him, like you guys want to do. And he'll know how much he needs or what he needs. You know what? It's your two's lucky day. Wow, so they're with us? Yeah. Man, if only Gold wasn't a traitor and Twisted Freddy was still here, our group would be insane now. We could easily take Freddy. We can. Well, we don't know where they are right now, but when we find them, it's time. I know we've been biding our time for 5 years. I think they least expect it probably now. And our group's pretty strong, so we can't let it get any weaker. This could be the most people we have in a very long time. I like the sound of that. Me too. I need blood. You can make clones, huh? I think I can. Oh, boss, they also had this. What the Wolf! If you're a good doctor, then save him. And if you can't, well, you'll join him if he dies. Okay. I can save him. Bring me to the medicine. Get him on a stretcher now, hurry. You get him on a stretcher. Can I at least show him where the medicine? Yes. Shit, he passed out. Then you better hurry. Okay, just, I'll put pressure on the wound, and you'll be fine. You actually got sleep, huh? Well, I mean, yeah. I don't think any of us did, besides you. Really? Well, I guess... Well, Baby still hasn't woken up, and Toy Chica, she fell asleep. She tried to stay up, but she couldn't. And Isaac, he cried himself to sleep. Nobody else has slept? How are we gonna sleep after what happened that one time? Well, to make sure it doesn't happen again, I mean, being sleep deprived, I don't know if it's better or worse than being woken up to it. As much as I'd like to say, you're right, friend, I don't know. Rockstar Foxy, man, I haven't seen you in so long, I still can't believe you're here. Wait, you knew him? Yeah. Why didn't you say that when we saw him lying over there? Well, I couldn't see him from here. I didn't know if that was actually Rockstar Foxy or not until yesterday at night when I saw him from afar. Alright, can you guys please give Baby some space, please? Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's okay. I just don't want her to get crowded or anything. Okay, Chica. You need to get some rest. Bonnie, I'll be fine. No, Chica, you won't. You need rest. Come on. Hey, Mangle, right? Oh yeah, hey, it's nice to see that you weren't bad after all. Yeah, I wanted to say, Foxy was just trying to keep you safe. And I think what he said would be accurate if, I didn't know I was safe either. Which, I mean, you guys couldn't listen to my word anyway, but yeah. I never thought I'd see him disagree with me like that before about a person. This world has done some crazy things to all of us. I guess I can kind of understand. I mean, we saw Krusty die the same way. Maybe I'm the fool for still believing in people, I don't know. Hey, don't say that, that's a good thing. But you should also be believing in him. So, just don't hold anything against him if you... I mean, it's not my relationship, but life is too short to keep grudges like this. Yeah. I'll go talk to him. Cool. Foxy. I understand. I'm sorry for not supporting you. I know. Alright, everybody, the second Baby wakes up, we will be moving out. So, let's just... Oh my god, look! What the What? Get down now. I'm sorry, please. What do you mean, please? We know you're kind. What you do? We're not all like that, please. Some person thought that and they blew off my eye. Please, I'm not like my brothers. Guys, we need to give him the benefit of the... How can we? Not again! Look at him. He was clearly here for a bit now. If we didn't notice him get up here, he could have started shooting or stabbing or anything. We can't have this fight every single time we see a new person. Every time we see a person, we should be happy that we see another living, breathing person, because this place makes you forget that there can just be living, breathing people that aren't part of your group. Please. Not again. Do you have anything on you? No. My name's Frogbert. You can call me Bert, though. I'm Freddy. I guess you can come with us. Okay. What do you guys think about that? Oh my god. I think it's time to let out the anger that we've been holding in. Yep, you're coming with us. Well, I'm not sure. Yeah, well, we're not leaving you up here with all the injured people, so you're coming with us. God, I wish I could go down there. Tell me about it. Shit. I'll tell you guys if anything happens. Get back up there with the injured people now! Thanks, Orville. Oh my God. Die! Stay away! Two. 4. Die! 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 Who's next? Okay, 10. I've killed 10. Oh, 11. Oh, God. Don't even think about that. You either. I'm sorry. Shit. Bud, are you okay? Oh, I was tagged. I don't know from where. I didn't know I had guns. I guess one picked one up. But, shit. Okay. Well, look how many there still are. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Shit, where's Wizard Freddy? I'm here, I was just getting the big guns. That's how we defeat them. I think that's all of them. Wait, there's one more. Huh? Okay, now that's all of them. Thank you. You don't have to thank me. Alright guys, now it's officially the afternoon, and baby is awake and she can stand and yeah. That means that it's time to get our stuff and move out. Yeah, I can walk. Jesus, is everyone here so brutal? We had to do what we had to do. That guy over there killed actually like 18 of them. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm shocked he had that in him. Like, seriously, I'm just as shocked as you are. And you're new. So everyone, start packing. Wait, what? Don't move. Okay. Please. What's your name? Golden Freddy. Oh, shit. Well, sorry I have to do this to you, man, but gotta prove myself somehow. What? Hey, gold. Oh. No. I can't. No. Shh. There's no need to scream. At least not yet. You're gonna want to save your voice for that. Mm-hmm. No! Hey! Stop moving. Oh, Wolf will... he'll have his turn, but... I really want to say hi. A couple times. Hi. Oh. He's here. He wants to say hi. Mm-hmm. Hey, Gold. Wait, you can't kill me because you don't know where Freddy is, but I do. I can take you right to him. I saw him right before I got kidnapped. Well, if you saw him right before you got kidnapped, then so did Minus, and I could just ask him, and he would happily show me. He's proved. He saved Matthias, he got you. Don't worry, Gold, I'm not gonna kill you yet. It's time I got revenge. Remember Stanley? Please, Wolf. Please, shut the fuck up. It's time. No!